Looking to streamline your workflow by bringing together your emails and your tasks? In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to integrate Outlook with ClickUp step by step. By the end of this video, you'll have your Outlook calendar synced up with ClickUp, making it so much easier to keep track of meetings, deadlines, and daily tasks all in one place. Let's dive straight in. First, start by opening up your ClickUp workspace. If you're already logged in, just head over to your dashboard. If not, go ahead and sign in. Don't worry, I'll walk you through everything from here. The workspace is basically the home base for all your projects, lists, and tasks, so it's where all integrations get set up. Once you're inside ClickUp, look for the More option. This is usually found in the sidebar or sometimes hidden under a menu with 3 dots, depending on your layout. More is like the secret door to a bunch of extra features that aren't immediately visible, kind of like finding the tools drawer in your kitchen where all the handy gadgets are kept. So click on More and from the drop-down menu, pick Apps. This is where ClickUp keeps all its integration options, making it easy to connect with other services you use daily. Now in the Apps section, you'll see a search bar at the top. Here's a tip: you don't need to scroll endlessly through all the available apps. Simply type Outlook into that search box. This smart search will filter the results and show you only what you need. When you enter Outlook, ClickUp will show you 3 different options. It's important to look carefully here because Outlook can integrate with ClickUp in a few different ways, usually email, contacts, or calendar. For our workflow, we're going to focus on syncing your calendar, which is the most useful for managing meetings and deadlines inside ClickUp. So go ahead and select the option that says Calendar. Just click on it once. This selection ensures that your Outlook calendar events will actually show up inside ClickUp, and vice versa. Imagine it like having all your appointments and tasks on one big, easy-to-read bulletin board. No more flipping between separate apps to figure out what you should be working on next. After you've picked Calendar, you'll see a Connect button. Click on that and the integration process will start. This next part may take a few seconds, so hang in there while ClickUp preps the connection. The interface will prompt you to log in to your Outlook account, which is simply to make sure ClickUp has permission to sync your calendar events. You'll see a familiar Outlook login screen. Just enter your usual credentials. If you're already signed in elsewhere, it might even skip ahead for you. After you log in, just click Continue. Don't worry if you get an extra confirmation pop-up or two. That's just Outlook making sure you really want to link your account. And that's it, the integration will finish up, and now your Outlook calendar will be connected directly to your ClickUp workspace. From now on, whenever you create or update a calendar event in Outlook, it'll show up in ClickUp, helping you stay on top of your schedule without any extra effort. If this process took a minute or you had to retry, that's totally normal. Tech can be a little finicky sometimes, but once set up, it really smooths out your workflow. I hope this tutorial helped you connect Outlook with ClickUp. If you have any questions or need more help, drop a comment down below and I'll be sure to respond. Don't forget to like this video if it helped, and subscribe for more step-by-step guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.